Hey guys, it's Hawk here. Today this is my review of G3 by NattoPet. They suggested that I review this specific art piece, so, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. They said they were trying out a lineless style, and I'm going to critique. Something I noticed off the bat is a lack of shading, and I think for future pieces that could really help you because it could help differentiate parts like the arm and the chest, or even what part of the arm is overlapping the other. It would also let people know, say maybe this is more the side hair, and this is the part that's on top. It might indicate motion, where the light source is coming from, and I believe this can be done with lineless style. Some things I would recommend is maybe using like a light purple. And by the way, I'm sorry I'm saying so much, this is not scripted. Basically maybe use a light purple and then you go to a multiply layer and that can do it. Another thing that can help when it comes to shading is to use that color's complement. So say you have this green here. Something you could use is a reddish color, and because that's its complement, depending on how dark it is or what type of layer setting you have. Yes, this does fall under a reddish thing despite it being pink. It will give you a much more natural effect, maybe make it slightly better, and look, you can see more of a difference between the chest and the arm, and it would still fall under the lineless style. That's something I believe that could be helped. Something I would say that I like about this is that whereas the skin is fairly bright and saturated like this, like a bright and saturated pink, there are other like not as saturated colors to balance this out, and I believe this is very good because if you're going to have a bunch of saturation in a piece, you should probably have something to balance it out. And it's good that you have that, so good job, Natto. Very good job. Something else going with the shading is that highlighting can help, and it could be something as simple as, say, taking this light yellowish color and maybe just blocking in some shades, or maybe you want to use more of like almost like a sheer kind of shading like this. I'm using the marker tool on Paint Tool Sai. If you don't have Paint Tool Sai, you can probably use the watercolor brushes in Fire Packet, and you can get Paint Tool Sai for free in the trial version from the Paint Tool Sai website. And depending on the layer settings that you have, it can look quite nice, and it will still convey the lineless effect without, lines, and it would fit. I feel like shading and highlighting would just make the pop a little bit. I do like how cartoony it is. It really does give that nice feel. There's not really much I would say otherwise. I'd just say, yeah, like what I've been saying with highlighting and shading. Keep it up with the good color choices. I like that you balanced it out. Yep, doing a good job. Hopefully I can help you. This is Hawk signing out.